Hello everyone and welcome to our guide on how to grow and care for hydrangeas. These magnificent flowers with their bountiful blooms and vibrant colors are truly a gardener's delight. Today, we'll share tips on growing and maintaining these beautiful blooms, with a special focus on color-changing varieties and proper care. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started on a journey to create a truly stunning display of hydrangeas. Now let's delve into the captivating world of hydrangeas, a plant that brings vibrant colors and unique textures to any garden, and explore the different types you can welcome into your garden. Each type of hydrangea offers its own distinct beauty and charm. First, we have the mophead hydrangeas, known for their large, globe-shaped flower heads in shades of pink, blue, and purple. These are the most recognizable and popular types. Then, there are the lace-cap hydrangeas with delicate lace-like flower heads. They add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any garden. Next, we have the oak leaf hydrangeas, named for their oak leaf-shaped leaves and stunning fall foliage. Their leaves turn beautiful shades of red and orange in autumn. Another favorite is the panicle hydrangeas, with large conical flower heads that start white and turn pink. They are known for their hardiness and long blooming period. Lastly, we have the smooth hydrangeas, perfect for smaller gardens or containers. They are easy to care for and produce lovely white blooms. Remember, each type has specific growing requirements, so choose varieties suited to your climate and soil. With the right care, hydrangeas can thrive and bring joy to your garden for many years. One of the most fascinating aspects of growing hydrangeas is their ability to change color based on the pH level of the soil. This unique characteristic allows gardeners to experiment and create a variety of stunning displays. In acidic soil with a pH below 6, hydrangeas produce blue flowers. The more acidic the soil, the deeper the blue hue can become. In alkaline soil with a pH above 7, they produce pink or red blooms. The higher the pH, the more vibrant the pink or red shades. Neutral soil with a pH around 6 to 7 can result in shades of purple or a mix of pink and blue. This balance creates a beautiful blend of colors in your garden. Use a soil testing kit to determine your soil's pH and make necessary amendments to achieve your desired hydrangea colors. Testing regularly helps maintain the perfect conditions. Adjusting soil pH takes time, so be patient and consistent with your efforts. With dedication, you can enjoy a vibrant and ever-changing hydrangea garden. When selecting a location for your hydrangeas, remember they thrive in areas with morning sun and afternoon shade. Hydrangeas prefer well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Prepare the soil by amending it with compost or well-rotted manure. Space them about 3 to 6 feet apart, depending on the mature size of the variety. When planting, dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball and just as deep. This will give the roots plenty of room to establish themselves. Hydrangeas benefit from regular watering, especially during hot, dry spells. Aim to water deeply and thoroughly, providing about an inch of water per week. Check if your hydrangeas need watering by sticking your finger about an inch into the soil. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in spring, specifically formulated for acid-loving plants. Apply a layer of mulch around the base to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. The best time to prune your hydrangeas depends on the variety and when they bloom. Understanding the specific needs of each type is crucial for their health and beauty. For mopheads and lace caps, prune them immediately after flowering in late summer. This helps maintain their shape and encourages more blooms for the next season. For panicle and smooth hydrangeas, prune them in late winter or early spring before new growth emerges. This timing is essential to avoid cutting off new buds. Remove any dead, damaged, or crossing branches. This not only improves the plant's appearance, but also promotes better air circulation and reduces disease risk. As winter approaches, protect your hydrangeas from harsh elements with a thick layer of mulch. Mulching helps to insulate the roots and retain moisture. Wrap the plants in burlap or use a protective cage to shield them from strong winds and heavy snow. This extra protection can prevent winter damage. Proper pruning and winter care ensure healthy, vibrant hydrangeas. With the right techniques, your hydrangeas will thrive and bring beauty to your garden year after year. Thank you for watching our guide on growing and caring for hydrangeas. With a little love, attention, and these helpful tips, you can create a stunning display of these magnificent blooms. Remember, gardening is a journey of learning and enjoying the fruits of your labor. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, everyone!